Why settle for a window seat when you can have a front row view of the cosmos? Join the space tourism revolution and embark on a journey that's truly out of this world. Where we are now. The notion of space tourism may seem like something straight out of a science fiction movie set in the future. However, the truth is that it has been in existence for close to 2 decades. Many may remember the case of American entrepreneur Dennis Tito, who made history by being the first civilian tourist to travel to the International Space Station in 2001. Tito's space journey came with a staggering price tag of $20 million, making it a far-fetched dream for the majority of us, only to be vicariously experienced through movies and tales. The idea of space tourism sparks a feeling of amazement and curiosity, setting off a sense of joy and fascination in us. This emerging field has been picking up speed in recent times, and for valid causes. For centuries, the thought of venturing beyond the boundaries of Earth's atmosphere to explore the endless expanses of space has mesmerized the human mind. Thanks to recent advancements in technology, this dream is no longer exclusive to astronauts and scientists, and the mere thought of it is enough to entice just about anyone. The space tourism market. Space travel has seen a rapid rise in popularity in recent years, with the potential to become one of the most profitable industries globally. Even though the industry is still relatively new, the demand for space tourism is on the rise and is expected to continue growing at a rate of 40.2% annually from 2023 to 2030. The global space tourism market was worth $695.1 million in 2022, and it is projected to reach $8,669.2 million by 2030. The government sector is also forecasted to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 37% from 2022 to 2030. In 2022, North America, particularly the United States, dominated the market with a 38.6% market share. This region benefits from an established infrastructure that supports the rapid adoption of new technologies and a strong foundation for research and development. Current space tourism competitors and missions. Space tourism is a growing trend, with various companies offering opportunities for private astronauts to visit space. Virgin Galactic, part of the Virgin Group, offers regular suborbital spaceflights for paying customers, with an extensive waiting list. However, the company has faced issues such as multiple delays and the in-flight loss of its VSS Enterprise spaceplane in 2014. SpaceX, a space-bound airline, aims to join the space tourism bandwagon but prioritizes lunar tourism and other forms of space travel beyond Earth's orbit. Blue Origin, a competitor to Virgin Galactic, uses a traditional rocket called the New Shepard to conduct lunar tourism missions. They plan to place up to 6 passengers on each flight, with room for weightless somersaults. Orion Span, a US space travel company, announced plans for a private commercial space station called the Aurora Space Station, which would function as a space hotel, accommodating up to 6 space tourists at a time. The company has already sold out several months of hotel reservations, with the total cost of a space hotel reservation being over £7 million. Boeing, a major player in the space tourism industry, signed an agreement with NASA as part of its Commercial Crew Development Program to increase private sector involvement in producing crew vehicles for space missions. As part of this agreement, Boeing developed a crew capsule called the Boeing CST-100 Starliner, which allows them to sell seats to space tourists. Space Adventures, established in 1998, offers launch tours and spacewalk training activities, many of which take place in Russia. They have taken bookings for planned future suborbital flights and a mission to orbit the Moon. They also seek people interested in future International Space Station ISS trips. Zero to Infinity, an aerospace company based in Barcelona, Spain, is known for its climate-friendly approach and launch systems that utilize balloon technology to reduce carbon emissions associated with space tourism. The company intends to use a balloon-borne zero-emission craft to send space tourists into near space, with current plans enabling 4 passengers and 2 pilots for 6 crew members to be sent up into near space on each craft. Why is space tourism expected to be so popular? Space tourism is gaining popularity because it provides a completely fresh and distinct experience that cannot be matched on Earth. While traditional luxurious vacations on Earth can offer relaxation and amusement, space tourism provides a revolutionary experience that has the potential to alter an individual's viewpoint and comprehension of the world. Traveling to space gives individuals the chance to witness the Earth's beauty from a totally different standpoint. It allows them to view the planet as a unified entity and to acknowledge the delicate and interconnected nature of all life on Earth. Experiencing weightlessness and the feeling of floating in space is also a sensation that very few individuals have ever encountered, making it an extraordinary and unforgettable experience. Opting for a trip to space rather than a costly vacation on Earth is a personal choice, but it provides an experience that is truly one of a kind and cannot be duplicated elsewhere. It offers a chance to break away from the routine of daily life and embark on a genuinely unique journey that can stimulate personal development and self-discovery. Moreover, it presents an opportunity to contribute to the advancement of space exploration, science and technology, which has the potential to benefit all of humanity in the long term. The pros of space tourism. A select group of private individuals, often referred to as space tourists, have successfully acquired tickets to visit the International Space Station, ISS, or Russia's Mir space station. However, following the conclusion of the Space Shuttle program in 2011, NASA ceased to offer any further opportunities for such journeys. The landscape shifted dramatically with the rise of private spaceflight companies led by prominent billionaires, including Elon Musk's SpaceX, Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin, and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic, each bringing their unique vision to the realm of space exploration. Among these companies, Virgin Galactic stands out with its clear long-term ambition to foster space tourism, providing brief suborbital flights that reach just beyond the Kármán line, which is recognized as the boundary of space. Blue Origin offers a similar experience for paying customers but is also looking to expand into orbital industries. SpaceX, on the other hand, allows for extended stays in orbit, although potential travelers must compete with various government contracts for their chance to go. Advocates of space tourism highlight numerous advantages, such as the opportunity for space tourists to engage in scientific experiments that investigate the effects of microgravity on human health, plant growth, and material properties. This research is crucial for advancing humanity's aspirations in space. Additionally, the burgeoning industry has attracted substantial financial investments, leading to the development of innovative technologies and equipment, which ultimately enhances our collective endeavors in space exploration. The high-profile launches of space tourists, including celebrities like William Shatner, have generated significant media attention, further ignited public interest, and potentially led to increased funding and awareness for future space initiatives. The cons of space tourism. Critics of space tourism argue that the industry primarily serves the interests of the ultra-wealthy, creating a divide that fosters public skepticism about the accessibility of space exploration. Rather than democratizing the experience of venturing into the cosmos, it risks alienating the general populace, who may view these extravagant escapades as mere indulgences for the rich. This perception can lead to a sense of disillusionment, as many people feel excluded from a realm that should be a shared human endeavor, reducing the excitement of space exploration to a spectacle of wealth. Despite its high cost, is not making significant strides in advancing human spaceflight. While some space tourists conduct scientific experiments, these efforts lack innovation and could be replicated by astronauts. The industry remains a niche market, with technologies not applicable to broader scientific or industrial pursuits. This raises concerns about the potential for meaningful advancements or a fleeting trend. A majority of individuals will never have the chance to experience space tourism, as it is expected to remain a specialized industry catering to a privileged few. It is not a revolutionary development in any way. Space tourism will likely remain a small part of humanity's fascination with outer space, rather than a significant factor in driving advancements or growth. If the opportunity ever presents itself, don't hesitate to seize it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment in the comment section below.